students, welcome to your computer science class. Children, in the previous class we had studied lesson number 11, algorithm and flowchart. We had studied about what an algorithm is and what a flowchart is. We had also solved few questions and exercises from this chapter. Few exercises were remaining from the lesson we will solve today. Today we will solve the exercises on page number 115 and 117. Question number C on page 115 is draw the flowchart boxes for the following. Like for start and stop, we use this similar type of box. Next, read A, B. Read A, B means to give the input to the flowchart. So, to give the input, we use this type of box. Fifth one is A is equal to A plus 1. We use a simple rectangular box which is known as a processing box because here the calculation of addition is going on. Next is A greater than B? Here the decision is going to be made. So here we will use this type of box. The sixth one, the last one is print A, which is an output box. So here we will use the similar box like read A, B because this is input box and this is an output box. For input and output we use the similar type of boxes. Next children, question number B, correct the flowchart boxes. You can see here in this flowchart the boxes are made and there are mistakes in these boxes. So we will do the correction in the next step. See here, start is always written in this type of box which is oval in shape. Okay. Next is go to the washroom. So it is an input action being performed. So it should be written not in a simple rectangular box. It should be written in this type of box. Next is turn on the tap. So to turn on the tap, this is the start stop box. We cannot write the processing action here. So the processing action should be written in this type of box. Turn on the tap. Next, rinse your hands and feet. So rinse your hands and feet. This is also a processing box. So it should be a simple rectangle. The next is wash your face and turn off the tap. So this is also a processing action. So it will be a simple rectangular box. And finally, the stop should be written in this type of box. So children, this was the question number 2. Next question, let us see to multiply two numbers. You can see here the start is written here. All the processing action, the flowchart is made for you. Let us see how to make it correct. Start should always be written in this type of box which should be oval in shape. Then read two numbers which is written in a wrong type of box. The input box should always be made in this way. Read two numbers A and B. This is the correct one. Then the next one, C is equal to A plus B. This is a processing action. That is the processing is being done here. The calculation is being done here. So it should not be written in this type of box. Next one is display C. That is to display the output. What will be the output? That is what will be the answer of C. That is, if we multiply A into B, that will be stored in C. Then we will display the C. That is the result. Then finally, the stop box should be always made in this way. So children, this was about lesson number 11,